1, 2, 3. Yeah, testing. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Omega Gaming here. Testing. Okay, let's quickly pause that music and see how loud that music is. Testing. Okay, let's quickly pause that music and see how loud. All right, it looks like we're all gonna go live here. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Omega Gaming here. Okay, so let's see. Actually, let me put some different music on. Also, let me mute that so you don't hear an echo of myself because I'm just listening to our live stream. Okay, guys, as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing some 3D modeling. I have 3 3D model pieces I might want to do. We'll see if we get interrupted in the middle of this. I did not ask my wife for permission to live stream. It's not like I need her permission. It's more of just like she might interrupt me and I might need to go do something that takes precedent over live streaming. But hey, we're just going to put some music on here because I need an ambiance. Excellent ambiance. I don't even think you guys can hear this ambiance. I'll turn it up a teeny bit. Okay, so we have ourselves Autodesk Fusion, whatever, personal. We're gonna 3D model some things here that are gonna be helpful for us. So, 3 of the things we need to model is a outlet cover, a circle thing, which we kind of already have. Yo, what's up, Sans? And then we need to 3D model a clasping thing for a power strip, so I can clasp it to the underneath of my desk. Because I noticed that the holes that they normally have, so you can slide the power strip on, are crap. They literally don't work. Like, I'm trying all different kinds of screws, they just slip right out, and it's like, okay, I need to literally make a clasp. So we're gonna make 3 things there. So a clasping mechanism, which is technically 2 parts. A circle dial thing, which we have a version of, but like this is not wide enough or big enough. And then a outlet cover that is flat. I could go and buy myself an outlet cover, but I think it'd be fun to model our own outlet cover. And it's good to get ourselves a 3D model that's our own, that has accurate measurements. Also, what server did you play on PCVR Township Tale? I played on like the big ones, nothing too much on the PCVR stuff. What were they? What were the big ones at the time? I don't remember what they were. It's been literally a year since I played a Township Tale, man. Surprisingly, it's been that long. Okay, so all of these are basically the exact same thing. The only difference is these are all increasing in size, like the depth. But what we're gonna need to do here is basically take this, and we're gonna need to here. I'm gonna turn on the music again a little bit, and also turn it down in my own ears so it's not like too loud. You're new to the game? Oh yeah. If you're new to the game, have fun with it. Like, go and chills. I don't know what the population of the game is right now, but go and have fun with that. Okay, so let's start with the circle dial thing, because you can tell we kind of already have it basically done. We just gotta resize it a little bit. So I'm gonna take the let's see. I need to find a sketch, and then we're gonna have to redo the sketch a little bit. Okay, so we have this sketch. It looks like this sketch is a sketch we could probably copy over. So we're gonna copy the sketch here. Control C. Yeah, no problem. I'm glad that my videos have helped you in Township Tale. It's a good fun game. Okay, so we need to wait. We want to duplicate this sketch. How do we? Okay, it's been a while since I've done this, so let's see. Edit sketch. Let's just copy everything, shall we? And then just I don't know. Finish sketch. So we copied that sketch. Let's create a new sketch, I guess. I don't know, why not? All right, and then paste that sketch down. Booyah. All right, we have all the measurements of our previous sketch. Because I kind of liked these circle things I put in my ceiling to cover up holes I put in my walls. Without having to do like, you know, drywall and all that stuff, because drywall gets messy. All right, so actually, how did I do this? So I think what I did was I filleted a bunch of things. Interesting. I'm trying to see how I did that originally. I don't remember how I did that originally. Okay. For starters, we're going to need to create a new circle. This circle is going to need to be 5 inches wide, which... Do I need to do a bunch of conversion? I might need to do some conversion. Or can I set... I don't want to set this. All right. 5 inches to millimeters. That is 127 millimeters. Okay, so center. Boom. 127 millimeters. That is the, okay, no, the 127 millimeters, that is how wide I need my class to be. Should I just model this from scratch? I'm kind of tempted to model this from scratch. How did I do this originally? It looks like I did this and this to create my pieces. Yeah, let's just do this from scratch. You know what? Screw it. We're doing this from scratch. Let me just do it from like, I don't know, over here or something like that. Okay, so let's do 127 millimeters. That's gonna be how wide the clasp needs to be. From the clasping, like siding of it. So like basically this part right here, it needs to be 5 inches. Then I need a, how much did I put in here? I think I said a 0.5, so half an inch lip. So let's do 0.5 inches is 12.7 millimeters. So let's do that real quick. Let's do this to, oh, wait, I need to do 127. What was it? Yeah, it was 127. 127 plus 12.7. Calculator. 127, or whoops. 127 plus 12.7. That is 139.7 millimeters. Okay, so 139.7 millimeters. We're gonna have that go out in that direction. So that'll be the lip that comes out on it. All right, now we need to cover up all the defects in the wall because it's not a perfectly round circle in my wall, or it's in ceilings, not walls. In my ceilings, so we want this to actually expand, probably like how much? I think we want this to expand maybe 1 inch more than we wanted, right? How much did I measure here? Let me do a quick inspection. What is this to this? That is, oh, wait, that's not giving me a, I need the size. What's the difference of those two? Ah, there it is. The difference is 14.2 millimeters. Let me exchange this. What's 14.2? 14.2 millimeters is about half an inch. Interesting. I only have half an inch out on all my designs. All right. Well, I guess I only have half an inch out on all my designs. So if that's the case, then let's do, let me see. Clear 139.7 plus 14.2 is 150. Let's just do 155. Let's round up. Let's do 155. All right. So the outer rim is going to be 155. That still looks, that looks too small. Oh, I know what I did. So I just measured the 1, but when you think about it, it's 2 times that. So I need to add, so it's 170. Yeah, 170 is a more graceful amount. So we're gonna do 170. Yes, 170. Okay. So 170, that will be our outer rim. So we got that. All right, so when we have our inner circle, our lip, we then want how thick our actual clasps are. How thick did I make my original clasps? Let me look at this. My original clasps were, no, I want that one. That's 2.3 millimeters. That's apparently how much I thought it would be good for a how thick they should be. So let me see. This is this circle here is 127. So I need, let's just say it's 3 millimeters. Let's make this 3 millimeters in thickness. If we make this 3 millimeters in thickness, it'll be solid. So that would be 124. All right, so 124 going out. All right, so that would give us our wall that would extend upwards. All right, so that would be our wall. Now we need the lines. All right, let me make sure this thing is straight on when I draw these lines. We want this to be all the way through. All the way through. All right, then we want this to be, all right, so this is 180. We only need like a 20-degree angle probably. So 180 minus 20 is 160. Whoops. Maybe 160. Oh, wait. Can I just say the 20? Oh, no. Wait, 90. So let's make this 70. Okay, 70. What the frick is wrong with my thing? Oh, 70. Okay, boom. All right, so that's 70. Oh, whoops. I don't need that one to be. I need this one to be 70. Gosh darn this thing. It sucks that like this is like the best I can do. Wait, okay, that's okay. 180 minus 20 is 160. Booyah. Okay. We got that one. So we got that fan, that fan. We need this fan over here. So this one needs to be a 70. That does not look right. Oh, wait, if I do make that 90, yeah, okay. Because it's 90 from that degree. This one can also be 90. All right, we have all the fans. Okay. Finished sketch. Fan, 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 fan. Excellent. We're all fan. We're all a fan of this fan. Okay. So now that we're all a fan of these fans, let's start making our thingamajig. So we're gonna extrude this out by my ceilings are about 0.5 inches wide. So what we're gonna do is we're going to extrude this to be an inch. I actually don't need an inch further, to be honest. You only need like a few millimeters further, but I don't know. You just gotta be careful. So let's just make this half an inch. Actually, here, I need to go and maybe just measure this to double check. I'll be back. You guys listen to the music. Have a little chill time. I'm gonna go measure it. All right. Welcome back. Sorry, guys. I was busy getting stiff. All right, it is 0.75 inches. That is how wide my ceilings are. That's actually wider than I thought. Okay. Let's throw that into a thing. So 0.75 inches. I thought they were using half-inch drywall, not 7.75 inch drywall. But all right. So let's see. 0.05 or 0.75 inch to millimeter is 19 millimeters. Okay, so we're gonna do, let's do, extrude this up. It was 19. Actually, I need to extrude this, and this up 19 millimeters. Okay, or out, I guess, this direction, I don't know, whichever direction. 19 millimeters going out. That will be the thickness of my wall. So I'm gonna press enter on that. We need to then make it over the thickness of my wall. Wait, what the? Give me this. This thing. I need this. Okay. So, what we want to do here is, I think I'm going to extrude this in the negative direction by, technically I have deemed that you only need 2 millimeters. So we're gonna do 2 millimeters. I don't know exactly how thick I made those ones. How thick did I make these ones? Inspect. Those are 2 millimeters. Those are 2 millimeters apart. Okay. Excellent. I was wondering if I was cutting corners or not. Because technically, since I'm printing with PETG 2 millimeters is strong enough to do most things. So you don't need anything to that. All right, we're gonna fill it that by 2. Let's just do 1.8. 6.4. Let's do 1.4. We're gonna fill it that by 1.4 millimeters, so that way we have a nice rounded edge. It might not look good because it would look like a 3D printed edge, but that'll be fine. All right. So we have our disc. We have that. Now it's time for the goodies. If I extrude this by 5, we lose how much, or we lose a little bit of information that we needed. So what we're gonna do here is, how are we gonna do this exactly? How did I do this before? I'm trying to figure out how I did this before. I think what I did was, I think I extruded out everything and then counter extruded again on the one part. I think I might just do that. I think that'll be a lot easier. So this is 19, right? Yeah, this is 19. So I think we're going to extrude all of this by 19. That matches it. Then we gotta add, we gotta add how wide our actual, or how wide we want this to be. If it's 19, then let's just make it 23. I want this to be a little bit stronger. So we're gonna extrude that by, so 19 plus 4. We're gonna do it 4 millimeters wide. Mainly because we're doing this because, actually, I might need to make it 5 millimeters wide. What we need to do is we need to be able to push it in and then it clasps down. So like it kind of like, yeah, you see that, right? Actually, wait, what am I thinking by guessing? Let me just look at how much of this I did. So if I inspect this imaginary line here to here, that's 5 millimeters. I gave myself 5 millimeters of room. Okay. All right, so let's do that then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Extrude that by 5 millimeters. All right, so now we are at a pretty good depth here. This is basically what we want. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hide our body like so. We're gonna grab these ones, and we're gonna counter extrude. Unhide our body, extrude. We're gonna extrude that 19. So now that's gonna cut 19 out. So there's a slight issue with how I'm making this design compared to the previous designs. If you look at these, I basically have a fillet that, oh gosh, it's hard to navigate. I have a fillet here that makes it so when I 3D print this, it's going to be able to, like, it might have an overhang right here, but it can handle that overhang. The problem with this much overhang is that's a lot of overhang. Like, that's a lot of overhang. Like, how much overhang did I have in the previous one? I need that much overhang, though, on my oh, wait. I just realized that those have a lot more overhang than I thought they would. Let me just see what this overhang is. If I grab this and, like, this, that's 1.2 millimeters. Yeah, that's like 4 layers of overhang. So, 3 layers of overhang, technically. Not 4. 3 layers of overhang, because they print in 0.4 millimeter layers. So we can do a couple things here to counteract this overhang. One is we can fillet this whole inner circle, so it basically is a pull you can pull out, which actually might be good. I don't know, I might need to print a couple of these as, oh, whoops. I'm trying to control click that. Sorry, I gotta like make sure I get this right. Oh, gosh darn, the other sketch is in the way. Let me hide the sketch really quick. We don't need this sketch or that sketch. Give me rid of that again. Oh, wait, I'm looking at the wrong one. What am I looking at? All right, I'm looking at this one. I want this one. Control click. Control click. All right. We have the 4. We're gonna fillet these by 4. Yeah. So that'll give us a pretty solid. What's the overhang? That overhang's still quite a bit of overhang. Oof. I think we'll still do it. Let's do that. Let's do that. I think we actually might not make this as wide as we thought we would. If I extrude that, that doesn't extrude, does it? Okay, that's okay. I can just extrude it from here, this little flat spot, and that will get rid of it if we don't want it. Yeah, I think that'll be fine. Okay, so now we need to, you see how all of these have that angle that just cuts in? We basically need to create that angle. Gosh, I'm so bad at like navigating this thing. So in order to do that, I think it's not a fillet. I think it's something else. Let me see. Ah, it's a draft. That's what it is. Is there a... So if I grab this, 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 and this, I do a draft. Oh, wait. Maybe it isn't a draft of what I want to do. It's not a fillet. It's a chamber. Chamber is what I want. I want to do this, 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 and this. We're going to chamber these in by a bunch. Basically, we want it to chamber all the way to the thickness of the wall. And if you notice, it's not thick, that's not thick enough. So we're going to call this 5. Let's do 6. Wait, no. 5, 6. Oh, 5. Oh, it can't do 6 because that'd be too much of a chamber. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. 6.9? Wait, why? Why won't it chamber? Literally 5 is the max. Why is 5 the max? I'm kind of curious of why 5 is the max. Because I need that to chamber a heck of a lot more than that. Why won't it chamber more than that? That's the real question. Why won't you chamber more than 5? Oh, I see why. It won't chamber more than 5 because that would surpass the amount of this angle. So that's the original point right there. So it won't surpass past that point. So if I chamber... Oh wait, not combine. Gosh darn this thing. Is it chafer or chafer? It's chafer, not chamber. I've been saying that wrong. If I chamber that by that much, this and this, and this, that's 2.85 millimeters. So we need to shave off a solid 2.8 millimeters off of the sketch. So sketch, we're gonna edit the sketch, and we gotta edit sketch. All right, so we need to do, so this outer circle was 139. So we need to do 130. Oh, frick, what was it? 2.8, I think it was. So we need to get rid of basically the decimal point and make it 137. Yeah. All right, let's just finish that sketch. I call that good. All right, there. That way we can basically just grab this whole chunk right here, like these things, and just like extrude it all the way up and just kill out that extra space we don't need. All right, extrude out that by like just 10. I don't know, just, oh wait, 100,000. I don't know, something like that. It kills that. There. Now we could probably chamfer this down to size. Not that. These angle. That angle. Ah, misclicked. not a, yeah, it's not even a hotkey, so I really do need to like actually click on them and then press the button to do it. Chafer, by 5. Still not enough. 6? Wait, are we still struggling with like anything more than 5? Can I like not go further than that? Is it? Actually, no, that's fine. That's fine. Because I think that's about the same width as, like, if I click on this and this, that is 1.5 millimeters. If I click on this and this, that's 1.5 millimeters. Yeah, so all right, there we go. There we go. Look at that. I did it pretty well. Right on the spot there. All right, so I think we got it done, basically. That's basically all we need, really, right? That's all we need. Yeah, that's all we need. Just that. Just that. All right, well, let's get this thing, you know, splopped out and onto 3D print. All right, save as mesh. We're gonna make it save as STL binary. We're gonna call this 5-inch circle. Wait, 5-inch hole with by 7.5. Crap. 0.75. I think I should call that 0.75. This is O for the point. 0.75 inch thick drywall. I want to call it like that. I think that looks good. I want to save this away to. I think I have a 3D models. Yeah, save it away here. All right, save there. Save. We're all saving. All right, that's supposedly saved away now. Let's open it on up, shall we? So if I go to desktop, we go to 3D models, open up this 5-inch thing in Bamboo Studio, and print this thing off on my Bamboo printer. And booyah, baby, we got our new stuff. Woot woot. Woot woot indeed. I don't feel like downloading it right now. All right, so this is our new thing. It's freaking big, apparently. We gotta print out 2 of these if the first one does succeed and is all good. That is a cost of $1 and $1.7. So probably around $2 to do this. So we'll just see. Let's print it on the device, shall we? Oh, I don't think my printer's on. Let me go turn my printer on. It's downstairs, so I gotta go print it out. Well, I came back with a little snack here, a little cookie. Let's see. Did my 3D printer just turn on? We'll see. Refresh. Yes, it did. All right. I did. Yeah, it's all in the right settings. Okay, good. All right. Well, 3D model 1 may be done. We'll see if that prototype works, and if it doesn't, then we gotta go back to the drawing board. But that might be on a different live stream because that takes 2 hours for that to print. So, I just need to get those holes covered in my walls. All right, next thing. Not bad cookie. Not bad cookie indeed. All right. 5-inch hole. All right. What's next? What should we do next? Sorry, I'm just enjoying this cookie. And the good music. The lo-fi chill. Alright. I think next we should work on these clasps. Actually, okay, I haven't technically looked at Maker World, so let's look at Maker World really quick. I'm gonna look at what are they called? Power. We're just gonna look at power strip. Oh yeah, power strip mount. Yeah. So what we want to find is a power strip mount. And looky right there, power strip mount. I think it's literally what I need right there. Yeah. Just that kind of bracket. That's all I need, really. Let me just look for a teeny bit longer and just see if there's any specific power strip mounts that, like, might be better. No. I think that's exactly what I need. Alright, let's look at this. Alright. Okay, it looks like, is that just a straight up hole? If that's a straight up hole, then I'm not 3D printing that. But if that's, it looks like it's beveled in. If that's beveled in, that's exactly what I need, basically. So, new profile print, blah, 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 up to 39 millimeters. What's 39 millimeters? 1.5 inches. That is what it says. My thing is 1 inch wide at its thinnest. 1.2 inch wide. So these are like a little taller than I need. It might work though. It's only like, 30 cents, so might be worth it. What the frick plugs are these? That's so weird though, those plugs. I'm just gonna see if there's any more like universal looking kind of designs that might be nice. Just taking a look. Also, I'm getting a message on this. Ooh, I got somebody messaging me locally about doing some miniatures, maybe. Interesting. We might have to do that. Okay, I think we're gonna go with the one at the top because I don't mind screwing into something. This also looks pretty good too. Oh wait, is this a clamp? It just like clamps on the side. Not bad, not bad. I think that's kind of cool in its own right, but I think we don't need that. Well, we're gonna go with the basic. We're gonna go with the basic stuff. I like this guy. This guy looks like he has good stuff. To be honest, actually, let's check out his profile. This guy might have like even better stuff. Oftentimes people that make these like useful little things make a lot of other useful little things. AirTag mount for kids' shoes. Okay. Vomit ring. What? Why do you need a vomit ring? Okay, that's okay. I think that's kind of funny in a way. That's all right. All right. We're gonna download this. Let's download all. I'm just gonna throw that into my where's my 3D print section? 3D models. Here we are. There we go. Okay, we got a power strip thing downloaded, so that knocks out that one. That's solid. All right, cool. Next I need a double outlet cover measurement. I need like a measurement for a double outlet cover. I don't know exactly what the outlet cover is. So I personally measured 4 inches wide, 4.16 inches high. But I was not measuring the outlet cover. I was actually measuring the plastic thing that the outlet like is actually in. And when I'm looking at this, it says a double outlet cover is 4.49 inches high, meaning that adds a solid half an inch. So that actually sounds pretty accurate, to be honest. So, so I think we might need to do some stuff here. But maybe Thingiverse has something that we could maybe just do. I need a double wide one though. Like a very, very basic double wide. Double outlet. No, I need double outlet cover. Double outlet cover. There we are. Okay, I found a thing on Thingiverse here for double outlet cover. That one right there, specifically. Let me double check if there's any other ones. No. So you get stuff like this where I'm like, that would be so helpful for the standard person to have. Outlet cover double. Yeah, that looks just right. 100 and oh gosh, I don't so that's 110, 4 point. So mine is 4 inches wide. Yeah, that looks about right. That looks about right. Because that's a little bit more than 110 millimeters, meaning that's 4.33 inches. So yeah, I guess that extra little bit might put at 4.5 inches. Tallness doesn't look quite right though. That's the width. Wait. 4.16 is 105 millimeters. That's like Nope, doesn't hurt to try at least. Here, let me download it. I'm gonna download that thing. What we're gonna do is we're gonna actually open this in here. Actually, how do I do this? Let me insert mesh. I gotta extract this thing really quick. Okay, extract. Double outlet cover files. All right, now we have it in here, so we can maybe manufacture and design it differently. So let me take this. I think there's a way to convert this. I gotta just figure out how to convert it though. Modify? No, mesh, modify. Oh gosh, I always suck at doing this. Separate? No. Combine? No. Assemble, prepare, create. Gosh, I always suck at like trying to figure out. I always have to Google this every single time how to turn a mesh back into a object that's editable. Construct. Offset planes, blah blah blah. Pretty sure it's in the modify section, right? At least that's what I would imagine. Plane, reduce, shell, combine, smooth, reverse, normal. Reverse the normal direction of the on the mesh body. Select space. Okay, no, I don't think that's it. Scale. Convert. There we are. Convert mesh. We're gonna convert mesh parametrically to a object. Booyah, baby. Oh, it's doing something we don't like. Okay, it has this object and then it has the outside object. Okay, so these two just need to be combined. But are they touching? Is that why they're not combined? Or maybe just the conversion kit. Here, let me go to like solids. Let me combine these two. Wait, I'm so confused now. Oh, I see. Here, let me. Apparently, there's 3 objects there. What the frick? I want that to be combined with that, but it's not working. Got to love it indeed. Indubitably. All right, let's simplify some stuff really quick here. Here, how do you do this? You gotta like, there's some kind of simplify. Yeah, simplify, remove features. It just helps basically like flatten out things that don't need, except for this is taking forever. Ugh, I hate it. So something I hate about Autodesk Fusion 360 or whatever this is called is it uses only like 2 processors on your computer max, when I have like a 16 core computer and 64 gigs of RAM, and it sucks. It honestly sucks at doing that. So yeah, I just have to like live with it, I guess. Here, is there a hotkey for this? I need to like hotkey. No, don't combine. I need a hotkey to simplify. Did I actually want to do that? Here, let me. I'm gonna simplify and then just say remove faces. I think that is what ties these together. Because oftentimes it'll be pretty good at like actually molding these faces together when I do that. So if I delete these, I click my delete button. There we go. Look at that. That did good. So we actually have another thing we gotta do. That being, we actually, so I need an actual flat cover. That's actually kind of what I've been needing this whole time. So yeah, we're actually gonna make a flat cover like this. Yep, we're deleting these. Booyah, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice flat, getting flat faces. Nice. Look at that, nice and clean. Clean as can be. If I delete these, what do these turn out to be? Oh, it does delete it nicely. Okay, that's good. Delete this. That looks all nice and clean. Oh, that one's not as good. Okay. Okay, this one might. Yeah, this one doesn't do as good. Okay, so all right. Oh, I just noticed a huge flaw in this design. This does not actually. This doesn't work. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. See, when I try to cut corners, it doesn't work. Gosh darn this thing. Oh, why doesn't it work? So what I just noticed why it won't work is my drawing here of like the outlet is it has 4 screw holes. This is 2. I need to have these screw holes in a different spot. When I try to cut corners, it doesn't work. We're deleting this. We don't need this whole freaking thing. It would work for a normal outlet. Yeah, it would actually. So like, no disgrace to that person's thing. It's more of like I can't use that how it was. All right, let's go back to the drawing board. Let's go back to the drawing board. Because everyone uses normal outlets here. No one's using the like whatever outlet system. So this is kind of gang switch cover. Wait a minute. That might be it though. Look, those holes. Those holes look a lot more accurate. No, they actually don't. They're wrong. Because that needs to be 1 inch in from the side. That's definitely not 1 inch from the side. So that doesn't work. All right, you know what? Screw it. I can't cut corners. I gotta do this. I gotta do this myself because apparently, gosh, nobody has something available. You know what? I need to make all these things publicly available, like all my models here. I actually am trying to sell these designs because it's worth my time. Maybe, I don't know. It doesn't take me too long to make it, I guess. But it's just okay. All right, we're gonna create a scratch here. We're gonna call this. Okay, this is 4 inch by 4.16 inch. That's what I have. 4.16 is we'll just do from the center here. So this is gonna be 105. Ugh, gosh darn it. I'm multi-clicking. 105. No, 5.6. So that's gonna be 105.6. The other one is going to be 4 inches, which is 101. 101.6. So that is our square. That square will cover around the entire plastic piece of our thing. Now the real question is how wide around our thing do we want it to be? But first let's put some holes in this thing. Let's put some holes. What size of screws do you use for outlets? US. Make sure we're on the US. It looks 6 by 32 is apparently typically around 1 inch long. So they use 632s. Okay, what's a 632? I think there's a tool in here where I can actually make a threaded hole. I don't know where it is specifically, but I feel like there was something. I don't know exactly. Utility. I don't know. Maybe I can't find it. Or is it an assemble? Join up, blah, blah, blah. Modify, split, draft. I don't see anything here in particular. All right. It looks like the standard design is 1/2 inch out from the edge. Meaning, what's 1/2 inch? 1/2 inch was like 0.1 or 14 point something, I believe. Oh gosh, where did my thing go? I need 0.5 inches in millimeters. 0.5 inches is 12.7 millimeters. Okay, so we want to make ourselves a sketch. We need a whoops. Wibbity whips. All right, wibbity whips. We're gonna from this point we're gonna do 12.7 by 12.7. We're gonna do over here 12.7 by 12.7. That will give us our outside edge. And just to double check, it is taller than it is wider, meaning I'm actually looking at this wrong the entire time. So I need to flip it like this. There we go. That's wide, that's long. I need to do that now because I know I'm gonna get the holes off on the screw holes, and then it's gonna be like, seriously, how did I get that wrong? And I'm gonna hate myself for it. But theoretically, actually, might not matter anyways. Actually, it does matter. It does matter indeed. Okay, so we have that measurement. I'm just double checking all my measurements. Measure once, or measure twice, cut once, you know, that whole spiel. Oh, apparently my wife wants me to end the stream to hold our son. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna cut this short. I'll have to finish this another time. Thank you, and I'll see you all guys later, something like that. Bye bye, guys.